Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the humidity control lever in this GE refrigerator, first fully remove the middle drawer. Next, remove the glass shelf from the middle drawer frame. Now lift the front of the frame up and pull forward to remove. If still intact, you can now depress the tab to detach the old humidity control lever from the frame. To install the new humidity control lever, insert the actuator tab into the upper slot in the frame. Align it with the control slide, then snap the lever's retaining tab into the lower slot. Now realign the frame's rear notches over the rear liner support posts and lower the frame onto the front posts. Reinsert the glass shelf into the frame. Replace the middle drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.